saw from the title, I'm doing some bologna burn-ins. I've had this idea for a while to do them, and finally got around to doing it, and I've never seen anyone else do it before, so y'all are seeing it here first, or possibly seeing it here first. But if it's good, which I know it's gonna be good because I did it. No, just kidding. But y'all are welcome to steal it and share it, whatever you want to do. But I've seen people do the whole chubs of bologna and then cut it up so it's kind of diamond, so you get a good penetration of smoke. So, and most time when I've had bologna like that, the best pieces are out towards the outside because you're actually getting the smoke and you're not getting it on the inside of the whole big chub. So I knew if I could cut it up in little cubes, I'm getting that more coverage around your little bite that you're going to be getting. So that's what I'm going to be doing today with it. As y'all see, I've got them done sitting over there to the side. I'm just finally doing the intro now. But yeah, got a whole chub and got Ziegler because that's the best bologna that I've found. It's really good flavor and everything to it, good texture. So got it. Changed it up. I didn't do magic top this time. I changed it up, so y'all have to check it out, see what y'all think about it. I think it's going to be pretty good. A new technique I can use. I use the snap technique, so we'll see how it works. I got it chopped up, got it in pretty good chunks, about like that, as y'all see once we get on into it. But they looking really, really good and smell really good. So y'all have to check out, see how it goes. But like I said, I got them cut up, threw a little oil on them because I knew the bologna's not going to have enough moisture on it to grab hold of the seasoning. A little oil, season them up with my seasoning, just so they have salty sweet, because I knew the sweetness will go well with the saltiness of the bacon. And then threw them on there and we'll let them ride. So we'll jump on into the cook. I might explain a little more, let y'all see how it goes, and then I'll jump on into the eating of it and we'll go from there. So see y'all. Well, alrighty folks, here's the good old chub log, whatever you want to call it, bologna. Like I said, I always get Ziegler because I like it, and it's better quality bologna to me. So as like I said, I'm gonna try a new little technique of a little quick little snap. Boom, looky there folks. Got it first chopped into slices there with a quick little snap. Let's try it again. 1, 2, and boom, there we go. Now they're in perfect cubes. So the snap technique worked out perfect. So like I said, I'm gonna pour a little oil on them, then throw on some of my seasoning. It's kind of a sweeter seasoning because they're gonna go well with the bologna. I said bacon earlier, but it's supposed to be bologna. So there we go, a little oil, a little seasoning. Let it sit for a little while and kind of adhere on up. So boom, looky there, looking beautiful. So now I can walk them on out to the smoker and let them go. Well, alrighty folks, got them on there. I'm gonna shut her down and let her roll. Let y'all take a look at them. I've rolled them over a little bit, looking really good, got good color and stuff on them. I'm gonna go a little bit longer, then I'm gonna dunk them in some sauce, baptize them a little bit with some barbecue. And then we'll let them go a little bit longer, let that set, and we'll chow down. So we'll see how it goes. So let's go ahead and get these things sauced up and let them get tacky on there, and we'll go from there. They're looking good. Alrighty folks, got them sauced on up, looking really good. So let that sauce set good, and then I'll be chowing down. Well, alrighty folks, I'm back. As y'all can see them there, and y'all saw how they were looking right before they glazed, and I'll throw in some more pictures that I took of what they look like afterwards. But they look good, and you can see the size of them. Still really good chunk size. So I've got really good coverage of smoke around them. Season is tacked on there good because it's not even on my fingers. And I use some of my barbecue sauce, my spicy vinegar, and then some cheap, great value, I think, honey. So it's kind of thinner but runny enough too, so it can just kind of dunk them and baptize them in it and go from there. But as y'all saw again, I got it, cut it up into these chunks here, then put the oil on it, seasoning on it, and let it sit for a little bit so it could get on there and stick good. And I was cranking up my smoker, hadn't let it get me go during that time. Had some cherry that I threw on it because y'all know I love my cherry. Got my fire going, put them on there and let them ride. I let them smoke for, I think it was an hour and 30 minutes. And once they smoked up, they were looking really good, and I said I'd turn them over to see how they were looking, and some of the bottom had got good and crispy because the heat was hitting it good. So I'd rolled them over, then I dunked them in my sauce, put them back on there and let them cook for another about 25 minutes to let that sauce tack on up, and then boom, there you go. Man, they look good. They smell even better. I wish y'all could smell it. I mean, if you barbecue, you know that smell is just that nice, lovely smoke smell. Oh yeah. That was good. Nice little chunk of bologna. I like bologna anyway, especially fried up. And it's good smoke, but it's much better this way because you got better smoke flavor around it. It's not just in one little spot like you get with the whole chub. And it's nice little bite size. You know what I mean? Everybody loves little bite, quick stuff. So, good. Salty, sweet, smoky, sticky. Bologna's gonna be tender anyway. But Ziegler bologna's got better taste, better mouthfeel. It's not grainy or nothing. These are so good. So good. Oh, that one's a good one because it got good and crisp on that one side on the bottom. So you'll have, yeah. A little more texture to it. I don't know. Y'all might can hear the train in the background. Yeah. We got a train that runs right by my apartment. It's alright to hear until it's about time to go to sleep, or you almost sleep, and then you hear the horn. And you go, oh. Sticky a little bit to the plate there, but it's not coming off on my fingers. Nice little chunk. These are good. Good smoke on them. I ran the smoker about, I think it ran about 275 is what I kept it at. And they just ride for that hour and 30 minutes so we can get hot and good smoke on there. Good. These would be good to do as your appetizer. Say you're cooking something later in the day for an event or something. You could cook up these and set them out as a little snack for people to come on by and grab while you're cooking. And you could cut them, cut them a little smaller, say if you want to. So you have like a few little toothpicks in them. So people just grab a toothpick and go. Really good. Got that little spice too in it. It's picked up from my barbecue sauce of mine. The spicy vinegar. And if you haven't checked out that video, I'll try to leave a clip, link up there if I remember. I know one of them I forgot to put it up on there, and thank God Brandon colored the garbage disposal. His apron's out there. I forgot to put it on, but had my shirt on, so I was sporting me today too. So, but yeah, Brandon told me, I was like, oh, thank you. I totally forgot. I thought I'd put it in there and forgot. So thank you again, Brandon. These are good. If you smoke meat, not other smoke. I always kid my doctor sometimes, or nurses, if I go in somewhere new or they're a new one and they haven't seen me yet. They're always, you know, go over the questions, this or that. Do you smoke? I'm like, yeah. I go, meat. It's corny, stupid, but it's funny. That's why was dad jokes or corny jokes or whatever else. We're like, oh, that's corny, but I'm like, did you laugh? But did you laugh? If you laughed, it don't matter. It worked. The joke was successful. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a good one too. Check that out. Got the good crispiness on it. So you got a little bit more texture to it. And they're good, soft, and spongy anyway. Last one, kind of sad. But I do have a lot more in there. If my dad don't chow down and finish them before I get in there. These are good. Really good. But yeah, go back, get off, got to rambling. If you smoke meat, give these a try. Use some good quality bologna. Ziegler is what I found is best. Cut it up in good chunks, cubes, about that size, or you can go smaller if you want to, whatever size you want. Could go just bite size. These are 2 or 3 bite size. And then little oil, little seasoning of your choice. Put them on smoker 275 for an hour and a half or so. Till they've kind of let that seasoning that's going on stick good. And then take them off, baptize them in some barbecue sauce, and put them on, let them set for another 25 minutes or so, and then boom, there you go. Enjoy. And they are good. Nice little chunk of meat there. Soft, salty, sweet, smoky, sticky, savory, what other S? Satisfying. But anyways, I'm gonna show them up and eat the rest of this. Bologna burnitos. Delicious. Give them a try if you get to sometime. I'll say they're good. And you saw them in here first if you haven't already seen them, or I haven't already seen them, so you're welcome. Saw them here first. But anyways, I'll show them up, and I appreciate y'all watching as always. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me that you take time to watch whatever I'm doing, so I really do appreciate it. No, thank you. So, y'all please like, share, and subscribe if you want to. If you have it already, I really would appreciate that too. To grow the good old head to tail families, because when you subscribe and join on in, and it's free, when you do, hey, you're a part of the head to tail family, and we love you and welcome you on in. So thank you all again for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Try them, folks. I promise, they're good.